and
Daddy? What are we doing, buddy?
there's something. We're looking at my dogs and Daddy's. Mostly Daddy, because I have a cat. Whoa, look at those thin hairs. We're gonna change the dial as you see. Oh, we just changed it now. Ooh, I see little hoops. But I can't with when I look with my own eye. If I look at the microscope, I can see a whole another world.
We're gonna zoom in one more time. Let's see if we can get anything this time.
You, Daddy.
Did that have anything to do with our science experiment right now?
No. Sorry, we had a little break-in, buddy. We were just trying to set it up again because something wasn't working well. Bye, and look out for more Augustus and Daddy videos. Remember, it's gonna be the 10th next time, and today is the 9th, and back then was the 8th. Bye!